with the Philippine government yan. And when I was DNR Secretary, I tried forcing their hand, therefore forcing them to deliver. We sue them and we fine them 100,000 pesos a day, per day, each of them, for every day that they do not deliver. I read there is a statement now coming from Manila Water, and they're committing that they will deliver it in 2037. It's up to you.
Lapit na yun.
It's up to you to react to that. Lapit na yun, tama.
Yan tulog lang
Sir,
naman
actually,
na.
ang pinupuntos ko, parang yung regulatory committee ko, no? They say, calling hours of operation, keep that.
Correct. You're correct in calling the attention of the WASA. But you're calling the attention of no less than the leader of the land. You want to clean Manila Bay, Mr. President? Force the water concessionaire to deliver their end of the contract. Or otherwise, tumigil sila ng koleksyon. Worse, pwede sabihin ni Presidente, solid nyo lahat yung kinolekta nyo sa consumer. Dahil kung hindi nyo dinideliver yan, dapat isolid ninyo at tumigil na rin kayo ng koleksyon.